So this is our room tour, sorry. Really basic. But this is all like a fixed in unit. It's clean, it's tidy. Don't do anything for you here. Shut the door. We've got bunk bed here, double bed. You can get a bunk bed and singles, you can get bigger rooms, you can get a double with a proper 2 bunk. I come right back to the door. It's the children. This is how much space we've got, a little wardrobe. There is a TV on the wall behind me. Little setup here, no kettle or anything like that, but I always bring my own. A heater on the wall, little window, which is quite nice in the summer when it's really hot. TV there, and I like this little desk. I'll use this tonight for editing. And it's just super clean, super tidy. If you want extra pillows, you can ask for them. They do a breakfast, which is just continental, which is really just a decent price, and it's a decent breakfast. Yeah, so this is our room tour. We haven't got a disabled room. We've covered Isla in, but they do a disabled room, but it's a double bed room. So we'd have to, like, me have a room, and then Jason and Rowan would have a room. But going forward, we're probably going to do that, where they'll have a room and we'll have me and Isla will share the disabled room. The bathroom's much bigger, it's wider. No hoisting, but there would be more than enough room for me to get a mobile hoist in there. So yeah, so that's us going forward. We probably would end up doing that, and this is like €35 maximum we pay a night. If it's more, we don't book it. So yeah, basically when it's €35 we book it, and it's just a really cheap, warm, nice environment to be in. The manager here is absolutely fantastic with the St Thilburt hotel, and the manager here is really great. She's really great. She speaks really good English. She's really, really lovely. All the staff are. We've never ever had an issue. We've never had a complaint. We've never had anything wrong here. They're great. There's a pharmacy right over the road. There's a boulangerie right over the road, and there is a KFC, an Aldi, a Burger King, a McDonald's, everything just down the road. So it's really close, and it's 15 minutes out of Disney Drive. So yeah, so that's our room tour. I'll show you the bathroom one more time. That's my watch telling me my activity at Disneyland Paris is good. I've done my 1,000 steps for the day, probably done double. Yeah, super clean. Maids come in every single day, make your bed. I've never had anything go missing here. I've left really expensive stuff here, expensive watch. Like, I've left my Apple Watch here. I've left Ida's equipment here, and I've never ever had anything stolen. I mean, I've left brand new tablets here. Apple tablets that were over £1,000 I've never had for Isla. I wish I could have those sorts of things, but it's all for Isla. Yeah, the little light up there, it's really easy. 2 lights down there. Another one there. It's just really good, really nice. There's a big car park, and the car park is £5 a night. So yeah, that's everything. It won't suit everyone, but it really does suit us. It's just exactly what we need. It's warm, we can crash here. We're up super early in the morning, and we're going to be out tomorrow morning super early because it's Jason's birthday tomorrow. And Daddy wants to go shopping, and then we're going to go get Daddy some presents, and then we're going to watch the fireworks, hopefully, if it's on tomorrow. Be really careful with that because it's going to come back and hit you. There we go. So yeah, that's our plan for tomorrow. Thanks so much, guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye.